Here's a decimal problem. We want to solve for y. We can clear our decimals by counting how many decimal places we need to move things over. We could also deal with what we have. If you look ahead, you could probably combine some like terms. So I'd have 7y minus 3.2, just to combine it a little. And let's see, that 8.y and 36.2, let's add those together, make that smaller. That would give us 44.3, and then don't forget to bring down our minus 2.5y. So let's check. 8.1 and 36.2 gives us a 0.3. 14, carry the 1, so 4. So I just collected some like terms first, so I wouldn't have to move over something in, let's see, 4, 5, 6 terms. Now I only have to deal with 4 terms. So I have 0 decimal places here, 1 decimal place here, 1 decimal place here, and 1 decimal place there. So I'm going to move it over 1 place. So move over 1, or multiply by 10, because 10 has 1 0. So this is understood to decimal to be at the end of the number, so I need to move it over 1. That's going to change it from a 7 to a 70y. So remember, if you don't see a decimal there, it's at the end. You need to add however many zeros that you need to so that you move it over the right amount of times. Right here, we're moving, again, over 1. We're going to move over 1 in every term. So that makes it a 32. Bring down the equals. Move it over 1. That makes it 443. Move it over 1 and makes 25y. So there's no like terms to collect, so we need to move our y terms to one side, constant terms to the other. You can move your y terms to the right. I just like to move them to the left. So I have negative 25. I'm subtracting 25y on the right. So I need to do the opposite to get rid of it, add 25y. That gets rid of it on this side, and then I want to add 25y on this side. So that will give me 95y minus 32 equals 443. Now I want to get rid of the 32. I'm subtracting 32, so I need to add 32. That will get it off of that side and over here on this side. Again, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So I bring down my 95y equals. Don't forget your equal sign because that can cause problems when you go to divide or add or subtract. I'm adding these, so that's 5, 7, and that was a, nope, that's just a plus sign. So 475. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 95. Now, you want to use your calculator, and if you're new to using a calculator, you're going to put 475 in first, the divide button, and then 95 equals, and that's going to give us 5 for our answer.